Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and today we're going to take you through a very cool boat. Anyone who has followed the Wellcraft world knows that the Gran Sport is a very sought after boat. This particular one we're going to take you through today is very, very nice. Going to start right here on the outside with that color combo. That multicolored blue with the black trim really gives it a good look. You can see the air conditioning unit just turned on. By the way, a brand new air unit was just put in this a couple years ago. Up on the bow you do have a windlass with the spotlight. Nice stainless steel bow rails going around it along with fender racks. Gonna notice the canvas on the boat's in very, very nice shape. Full canvas enclosure. Work your way to the back of the boat. You've got a nice big platform. Solid transom on the Gran Sport. Work your way around the other side here. You're going to notice the boarding ladder. Again, nice stainless steel rails going around it. Big walkarounds, making it nice and easy to get to the bow. Just a good looking setup. From there, we're going to walk inside the cockpit and take a look. You look at the 12.5-foot wide beam and look at how it opens up this cockpit area. Absolutely massive. It's a beautiful interior. You're going to notice all the speakers that have been updated, all Bluetooth sound. So from there, let's take a look closer inside. As I mentioned, you step inside the boat and take a look at what this 12.5-foot beam does. You've got a nice removable table. This back seat can also slide in. You got side steps to both sides, giving you easy access to the bow. Beautiful JL speakers. You've got storage in the back right behind the helm seat, along with the passenger seat. The wraparound combings give it a very good look. Work your way forward up to the helm. You got a nice looking helm here. Easy to use switches. You're going to notice right at 1,032 hours on the twin 454 Crusaders that are in this boat. Easy access to your VHF radio, your trim tab, spotlight controls, windlass controls. Good looking array of gauges. Work your way to the other side. You've got a nice big passenger seat here. Very comfortable forward facing seating. All in very nice shape for the age of the boat. Canvas wise, you're going to notice I love how he did this up on the top, where he made it so that whole back panel, you don't have to remove it, you can just snap it right to the arch. That's pretty creative. Work your way to the front. You're going to notice he had solid canvas made. He's also got a clear isinglass piece that can go in there as well. From there, let's take a step inside. We're not even going to take a break because I got the door open. Nice, easy, big sliding door gets you right inside the cabin of this boat. And when you walk inside, the size is absolutely impressive for a 34-foot boat. Beautiful island bed. You're going to notice this big side dinette. All the upholstery's been updated. All the carpeting's been updated. Beach to bow ladder comes with it. Your stereo head unit right against the wall. Like I said, the air conditioning is on. The new air conditioning controls are there. Work our way back up front here. Look at the storage underneath and the big island bed. It's a great setup. You got storage to both the port and starboard side over here. Work our way back around and you got this beautiful little port side sofa setup. Storage underneath. But let's focus on the galley. Look at the counter space and the storage. Love the color combo. Gives it kind of a cool look. All the backsplashing was redone along with the lighting under the counter. New faucets. Very good looking cabinetry in this boat. Your microwave up above. Your refrigerator down below along with more storage. That's a very sharp looking galley in this boat. Let's work our way to the back of the boat and notice how open it is getting to the mid cabin. You can truly just walk right in. As you get back there, you're going to notice a nice big bed setup. Lots of room, all fiberglass lined, which is really cool. And your control panel, very easy to get to. Air conditioning duct back here as well. But a very, very well done mid cabin in this 34 Gran Sport. Now, since we're back here, we're kind of doing a full thing here, one loop. The door for the head slides. It's a very cool design from Wellcraft. By doing that, you're not impeding any space in the boat for opening the door. Walk into the head compartment. You've got a nice large mirror. You can see it's got the shower capabilities there. Storage up above. Electric head. Nice little galley or countertop space. And the shower capabilities with the fiberglass floor. Just a good looking head compartment on the 34 Gran Sport. So as a whole, the interior, I would say, is in absolutely beautiful condition. I mean, there's really not a lot I can say for a 1986 that stands out as not being very, very sharp on the interior of this boat. So from there, I will say that I appreciate you taking the time to view our video and taking a walk through the 34 Gran Sport. This boat, like I said, is very well equipped with twin 454s. You've got an Onan generator, windlass anchored, updated air conditioning and heat, nice canvas on the boat, updated stereo, just a very, very nice setup. So I thank you for your time and watching our video on the boat. If you have any questions or would like to set up a time to view, please call, text, or email at any time. And again, thank you very much for watching our video.